All right, last one. This is dividing when you end up with one digit as your quotient. So here we go. This is where I was talking about inside and outside of the house. So the first number we will look at is this 4. Does that fit? Will that work? No, it will not. 53 is way too big to fit inside of 4 houses like that. Inside of the 4. So then we gain a number, 42. Will that work? No, it will not. So now we have 2 x's already at the top of our problem. So here we go playing. This is where I said it comes in handy starting with 5. Let me do it at the bottom so it's not in the way. 53 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 5 is 25. 26. So we see we need more. For once, we need to go higher. Let's do it over here. Can you see? Yes. 53 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 1 is 31. We're getting closer. I'm going to do 53 times 7 inside the middle of here. 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 5 is 35. 36, 37. Whew. Keep going. 53 times 8. Can you see? 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 2 is 42. All right, we found a winner. We know we can fit it how many times? 8 times. 53 times 8 is 424. We get to subtract. Keep the color coding going. At least you guys get to practice multiplication. 429 minus 424, 9 minus 5, I have 5 left over. 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So my remainder is 5. It's like a lose-lose situation with division. Either you're going to do a lot of multiplying or you're going to do a lot of steps right here. Remember to check yourself. Check yourself. 53 times 8, we already know is 424. Oops, that should be a 2. Plus my remainder is 5. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus nothing, 4 plus nothing. We look good. They match. Getting any easier? It should be. But if it's not, that's what I'm here for. Okay, 28. Can I put 28 into 2? Nope. Into 20? Nope. So we need to do 208. This is where the one digit quotient is coming from. One digit. I feel like I'm talking fast. So we'll start with 28 times 5. 28 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. 28 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. 28 times 7, that's pretty close, I don't know. 8 times 7 is 56. 2 times 7 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 196. We need to check because right now that looks like the winner, but I'm not sure. 28 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Way too big. So this was our winner. Didn't work there. Did not work there. So we have to go all the way to 28 times 7. 28 times 7 is 196. Then we subtract. I cannot. Remember, we need big on top. Right now, our big is on the bottom. So that means I don't have anyone to steal from there, so I have to go one more over. 2 becomes a 1. I'm becoming a 9 because I was a 10, but I had to give to the 12. So I am now a 9. $12 minus 6 is 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 1, excuse me, is 0. So I have 7. Let me change the colors. Remainder of 6. All right, for your turns, I already wrote them for you. You will divide 83 divided by 12, 489 divided by 51, 800 in the house divided by 38 outside of the house. Okay. And you will have a good night, boys and girls, and I will see you tomorrow.